Mahatma Gandhi's Three Monkeys Sculptures Blog. Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. So today guys, dito kami ngayon sa Katara Village at ipapakita ko sa inyo guys ang tinatawag nilang Three Monkeys Sculptures here in Qatar. Tara guys, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Hello guys, makikita nyo dito guys, may mga bangka dito guys kasi ang harapan nito guys is ang tinatawag nilang Katara Beach. Wala pang katao-tao dito guys kasi 7 AM pa lang dito kaya wala pang. Pero mamaya guys, marami ng tao dito. Ang ganda ng clouds guys, tingnan nyo guys. Lakad-lakad pa tayo konti guys. At untikan natin yung 3 monkey sculptures. Pit na tayo guys. Itong 3 monkey sculptures guys ay gawa ni Subodh Gupta, isang Indian artist. Ginawa ito guys noong 2008 and ito ay gawa sa bronze, steel and old utensils referred to India's hero of peace Mahatma Gandhi, and they are portrayed as 3 heads of military head. Yung isang sculptures guys ay one wears a gas mask and another is a soldier's helmet and the third is wearing a terrorist hood. The dominant message from these fabulous pieces of public art is resonant of the legendary 3 monkeys, one covering its eyes, one its ears, and other its mouth, implying the ancient adage, see no evil, hear no evil, and speak no evil. Hello guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!